So this is what happens when your house gets flooded. This is Margot's place. I'm outside on the front lawn. There's my truck. And it looks like the block's been cleaned up quite a bit since we first started working. A lot of scavengers came along and took stuff. Pretty much all the tenant stuff's out there that they wanted to throw away. There's a pile in front of the next door neighbors. Let's go inside. So the water in this house, the water in that house actually went up 3.5 feet, they said. And this house went up 18 inches, so we took out 3 feet of drywall all the way around every room. The floors have buckled. They were up 2 feet. Now they've kind of dropped. You can see there's still a considerable gap there under the floors that they've buckled up. And you can stand on it and nothing happens. In this room it was paneling, so we didn't take that out. We figured that'll just dry. Kitchen. And we got the nice clean lines by using a 3-foot level, just marked 3 feet all the way around, and then scored it with a utility knife, and came in and hammered right along here, and then just pulled the drywall out. Oh yeah, and that was after we took out the shoe and baseboard molding. And still got to kind of come and clean up these edges in here. This room was all paneling, so I started taking that down. We got 2 walls left, closet's done. Bathroom's alright. This was a children's bedroom in its previous life. Got a little cleanup there in the corner to do. We had some volunteers come in today who just kind of started banging at the wall rather than cutting clean lines, but hey, we really appreciate their help nevertheless, and they were really cool. And this bathroom's okay, it's all tile and pink. And more closets. And that's the house. There's a utility room and stuff in the back. It's pretty much the same situation. Here you can see those floors that are buckled. So those are up about 8 inches high. Same along here. Kind of buckled up. And you can stand up on it. And nothing happens. Just kind of stays right there. So we're just going to leave the fans on, let it cool, keep the air circulating, and come spray it. And then the drywallers can come in and fix it up. Alright. Ciao.